Hello students, Ncert Solutions, Class 12, Physics. Chapter is Electric Charges and Fields. Question number 15. Consider a uniform electric field. E vector is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap Newton per Coulomb. A part, what is the flux of this field through a square of 10 cm on a side whose plane is parallel to YZ plane? B part, what is the flux through the same square if the normal to its plane makes an angle of 60 degree with the x-axis? In this question given that electric field, uniform electric field, capital E vector is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 3 I cap न्यूटन पर कूलम्ब. एंड व्हाट इज द फ्लक्स? फ्लक्स हमें कैलकुलेट करना है. फर्स्ट पार्ट के अंदर फ्लक्स हमें कैलकुलेट करना है थ्रू ए स्क्वायर ऑफ 10 सेंटीमीटर साइड. देयरफॉर एरिया इज, सरफेस एरिया इज गिवन, सरफेस एरिया is equal to S is equal to this 0.1 square meter square, or this is 10 to the power minus 2 meter square. This surface area is given, and it is also given that the plane is parallel, plane of this square is parallel to plane of this square is parallel to YZ plane, parallel to YZ plane. Hence, इसके बेस पर हम कह सकते हैं the direction, hence the direction of normal to this plane is along x-axis, positive x-axis, right? Suppose this is square plane here, and this this is placed in YZ plane. Here this square plane like this, and this is YZ plane, here this Y and here this Z. Therefore this x-axis here perpendicular to its, right? Therefore angle between E vector and S vector is equal to 0, because here the direction of electric field and the normal vector are along the x-axis, therefore angle is 0. Now we know that flux phi is equal to E into S into cos theta. Therefore, on putting the values, this E is equal to magnitude of E is 3 into 10 to the power 3, and this area is 10 to the power minus 2, and angle is 0. Therefore, on solving, this is 30 Newton meter square per Coulomb. This is the electric flux. Now, B part. In B part, it is given that the same square, if the normal to its plane makes angle 60 degree with the positive x-axis. Now given that normal to the plane of a square makes an angle angle of 60 degree with the x-axis, positive x-axis. Hence, now angle between E vector and S vector is equal to 60 degree, and we know that E into S into cos theta. Therefore, this phi, on putting values, 3 into 10 raised power 2, and this is 3, and this is 10 raised power minus 2 into cos 60 degree. Now this is 30 into 1 by 2 is equal to 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. तो दिस इज द आंसर. सेकंड पार्ट में कहता है कि स्क्वायर को हमने इस तरह से रखा जिससे कि उसका नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विद द एक्स एक्सिस. हमारे यहाँ पर एक्स एक्सिस में पहले इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड था और नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन मान लीजिए यहाँ पर नॉर्मल बनता है. ये नॉर्मल टू द प्लेन मेक्स एन एंगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री विद द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड डायरेक्शन दैट इज पॉजिटिव एक्स एक्सिस. Right, now the electric flux is given by this phi is equal to E into cos theta on putting the values, and on solving this is 15 Newton meter square per coulomb. This is the answer of this problem. Thank you.